Good morning, students. Before we will go for exercise 1.3, we will again take the concept of rational number and irrational number in little bit more exact form. If you will see this 2 by 5, tell me whether it is a rational number or not. Yes, it is a rational number as it is written in 2 by 5 form. And what about this 1 by 3? Is it also a rational number? Yes, it is also a rational number as we can write it in p by q form and q in both the case are not equals to 0. So this is also a rational number. If we will do the proper division in first example 2 by 5, we will get 0.4 and in second case we will get a 0.33. What does it mean? Here the remainder is coming as 0, but here the remainder does not come as 0, but it goes on repeating and repeating. Now this type of numbers where the decimal expansion terminates and where the decimal expansion does not terminate but it reoccurs. These type of both type of your number or the rational these type of formation is called as rational number. So first result is if the remainder terminates or the remainder comes as 0, that is a rational number, and the decimal expansion where the remainder does not terminate but the remainder reoccurs again and again, the decimal expansion reoccurs again and again, that type of numbers are called as rational number. Now I will take one more example. Suppose that the number is like this. Like this. What result you will get it? What do you observe here? In this, the decimal expansion is not repeating, but it goes on increasing. देखिए यहाँ पे एक बार 1 आया है, then 1 is coming 2 times, 1 is coming 3 times, and it goes on. Let's take one more example. Again, if you will observe in this example, 1 times 0, 2 times 0, 3 times 0, and these zeros goes on repeating, increasing further and further. So these type of numbers where the decimal expansion does not terminate and these are non-recurring, means decimal expansion does not terminate and non-recurring. हमारा जो डेसिमल है ना तो वो रेकरिंग हो रहा है, मीन्स रिपीट हो रहा है डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन, और ना ही वो डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन कहीं पे टर्मिनेट हो रहा है. Terminate means remainder is not coming as 0. So these type of examples are for irrational number. So what we have done it? What type of rational numbers? How can you find out these are the rational numbers? If the decimal expansion terminates or the non-terminating number reoccurs, बार बार वही नंबर रिपीट होते जा रहे हैं, that type of numbers are rational numbers. And where the decimal expansion does not terminate means वो कहीं पर रिमाइंडर उसका 0 नहीं आ रहा और आपका वो रीअकरिंग भी नहीं हो रहे हैं, नॉन रीअकरिंग नंबर्स, वो बार बार रिपीट नहीं हो रहे हैं, इट गोज ऑन इंक्रीजिंग एंड इंक्रीजिंग, दैट टाइप ऑफ नंबर्स आर इर्रेशनल नंबर्स. नाउ I think these two concepts are clear to all of you. Now today we will take the concept from worksheet 1.3, how to convert the decimal expansion in the rational number form. Okay. Suppose that this is the number. Can we convert this number in the form of a rational? Yes, we can convert it. We can write it as 12 upon 10. So this is a rational number. Take any more example. 3.265. Can we write it in the rational form? Yes, we can write it like this upon 1000. Now tell me, if the number is like this, can we write it in a rational form? For this, if you will expand it, it will come like this, isn't it? So what type of this number is? The numbers are, decimal expansions are repeating, non-terminating, but the decimal expansions are reoccurring. तो ऐसे numbers को हम rational form में convert कर सकते हैं, but with some method. So let's see the method which we will take it to convert the decimal expansion which is reoccurring. Very simple example I have taken it. 0.9 bar means this number is reoccurring. So since it is reoccurring, so it can be converted in the form of a rational. So let's see the method. What we will assume, let 0.9 bar equal x, or we can write it x equal 0.999 and so on. This is the first equation. अब हमें क्या करना है, इस डेसिमल को हमें शिफ्ट करना है उस डिजिट पर जहां जो डिजिट्स आपकी रीअकर हो रही है. तो हमें ये एक डिजिट रीअकर हो रही है, तो हमें क्या करना है, इस डेसिमल को एक डिजिट के बाद शिफ्ट करना है. सो हाउ कैन वी शिफ्ट इट? बाय multiplying equation 1 multiply equation 1 by only one digit you are shifting, तो by 10 जितनी डिजिट शिफ्ट करनी है उतने zeros by 10 on both sides. So what you will get it? Multiply this also with 10, 10x. इसको 10 से multiply करेंगे. So the look over here, the decimal has been shifted. इसको 10 से multiply करेंगे तो एक decimal यहाँ आ जाएगा. So this is equation number 2. Now next step, subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Let's see the result. Equation 1 को equation 2 में से माइनस करना है. So 10x minus this equal 9.99 minus, we will put the minus this minus this. Is it clear? Now subtracted 9x equal, इसमें से अगर इसको माइनस करते हो, देखो डेसिमल के बाद this is coming as 999 and here also after decimal you are getting it 999. After subtracting it, if you will subtract it, only this 9 will be left out because after decimal you will get 0 0. So you will get after subtracting 9x equal 9. So x will be 9 upon 9. Cancel it. X value as 1. So x we have assumed it as 0.9 bar. Therefore, this 0.9 bar we can write it as 1 also. So is it a rational number? Yes, 1 is also a rational number. Let's take one more example. Example, let it be ऐसे. This is the question now. अब देखते हैं. So first step, let x equal 2.325. देखो बार 25 के ऊपर है. So this 25 will be repeating like this. Name it as equation 1. Now next step, आपको क्या करना है, इस डेसिमल को पहले बार से पहले शिफ्ट करना है. इन दिस एग्जाम्पल ये डेसिमल बार से पहले ऑलरेडी था, बट हियर ये डेसिमल बार से पहले नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप, आपको डेसिमल को बार से पहले शिफ्ट करना है. सो हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स यू हैव टू शिफ्ट इट? 1 digit. So multiply equation 1 by 10 on both sides. On both sides. So what you will get it? 10x equal, इसको multiply करेंगे 10 से, so it will come like this. Name it as equation 2. अब देखिए, जो रिपीटिंग टर्म्स से थे उससे पहले बार आ गया. नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन इज सेम एज दिस वन. अब आपको क्या करना है नेक्स्ट स्टेप में? यू हैव टू शिफ्ट दिस डेसिमल जितने डिजिट्स रिपीट हो गए हैं उसके बाद. 25 इज रिपीटिंग, सो 25 के बाद आपको इसको शिफ्ट करना है. तो आप कितने डिजिट शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं? यू आर शिफ्टिंग 2 digits. So with which number you will multiply? You will multiply it with 100. So multiply equation 2 by 100 on both sides. So इसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So what number you will get? 1000 x and here ये जब 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ये शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. It comes like this. This is equation 3. तो हमने क्या किया? You have to remember, पहले डेसिमल जितनी डिजिट्स रिपीट हो रही हैं उससे पहले तक आनी चाहिए डेसिमल, और फिर नेक्स्ट स्टेप में जो डिजिट्स रिपीट हो रही हैं उसके बाद तक डेसिमल को शिफ्ट करना है. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस रूल. नाउ नेक्स्ट मेथड, सब्ट्रैक्ट इक्वेशन 2 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 3. सब्ट्रैक्ट इक्वेशन 2 from equation 3, we get this minus this. 1000x minus 10x equal 25.2525 minus this one, and so on. Subtract it, you will get it 990x equal. अब इसमें से इसको subtract करना है. Now observe it once again. After decimal 2525 is coming, तो ये decimal के बाद minus करने पर वो 0 आ जाएगा. So what you have to do is 2325 में से 23 को minus कर दीजिए. So what number you will get it? 2302. You will get this number. 2302. You will get it. Now x equal 2302 upon 990. अगर ये cancel होता है, then cancel it. You can cancel it with the 2. If you can cancel it further, you have to cancel it. So here you cannot able to cancel it. So this will be the answer. So what we did, this 2.325 bar, we have converted it in the form of a rational number. अगर बेटा इसको आप डिवाइड करके देखेंगे ना, you will get the same question. डिवाइड करने पर यही आएगा. So what we have learned today, that the decimal expansion which are repeating, not recurring or repeating, reoccur हो रहा है, बार बार reoccur हो रहा है, that number we can convert it in the form of a rational number. That's all.